Do you know what an inquest is in a civil lawsuit in New York? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law in the state of New York. So now you might be wondering, what is this thing called an inquest? Have you ever heard of it in a civil lawsuit involving an accident matter, or a medical malpractice matter, or even a wrongful death matter? And now when you bring a lawsuit against the people who you believe caused you significant harm and injury, or wrongful death, if they don't answer those allegations, now you will get a default judgment. Now what does that mean? It means like the Yankees show up to play the Mets don't show up, the Yankees get an automatic win. That's known as a default judgment. But what's this thing called an inquest? Well, if they don't answer the allegations and now you get a default, the next step that happens in the process is now the judge is going to say, okay, Mr. Oginski, you're going to have a trial on damages. Legally, that's known as having an inquest. And the entire purpose of that is so that the judge can listen to testimony from different witnesses to determine the amount of damages that the judge is going to compensate you and your family for as a result of the wrongdoing caused by the people that you sued who failed to show up. That's the point of an inquest. It's to assess the amount of damages that are going to be given to you. Now, that amount of money is what the judge determines you are legally entitled to receive as full and fair compensation. Getting it, obtaining that money, is an entirely different story. So why do I share this quick information with you about what is an inquest? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these civil lawsuits here in New York involving accident cases and medical malpractice cases and even wrongful death cases. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need to be answered first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.